this video we will show you how to use the cross-section tool. In this part you will learn how to import a 2D image with the cross-section tool and how to perform measurements on it. You are only able to import a 2D image into Ortho Analyzer by using the cross-section tool. Press the cross-section icon. Then you need to create a plane or use one of the standard planes in the list below. You can see more details in our How to Use the Cross-Section Tool Part 1 2D Measurements video. To import a 2D image into the cross-section, press the 2D overlay icon. Locate the image and import it by either double-clicking it or pressing the Open button. For the purpose of our video, we have chosen to import a PNG file. To make alterations to the image, press the Modify 2D Overlay icon. You can rotate the image by grabbing and moving one of the red control points on the circle. Also, you can change the image size by grabbing and moving one of the green control points. The software also enables you to mirror the 2D overlay image. If you wish for an image to be translucent, you can use the 2D overlay slider in the upper right corner. When you grab the control points in the middle, you will be able to move the image around. To do a measurement on the 2D image, use one of the measurement tools in the 2D Measurements window. For the purpose of our video, we will measure an angle. We hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.